common flying insects that live in most parts of the world. Over 3,700 types of mosquitoes can be found worldwide. When a mosquito bites a person, common reactions to the bite are itching and swelling. Some mosquitoes are vectors. A vector is an animal, insect, or tick that spreads germs to people or animal that can make them sick. Nuisance mosquitoes bite but do not spread germs. Almost everyone has been bitten by a mosquito. Mosquitoes can spread pathogens, germs through bites. A person who gets bitten by a mosquito and gets sick has a mosquito-borne disease like West Nile virus, dengue, malaria. Adult mosquitoes live indoor and outdoor. Mosquitoes can bite day and night. Adult mosquitoes live for about 2 to 4 weeks depending on the species, humidity, temperature, and other factors. Female often live longer than males. Only female mosquitoes bite people and animals to get a blood meal. Female mosquitoes need a blood meal to produce eggs. Mosquitoes get infected with germs such as virus and parasites when they bite infected people and animals. A few infected mosquitoes can start an outbreak in a community and put you and your family at risk of becoming sick. The mosquito life cycle consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Eggs are laid on the water surface. They hatch into motile larvae that feed on aquatic algae and organic material. Female mosquitoes' mouthparts are highly adapted to piercing skin and sucking blood. Male ones drink sugary fluids and have less specialized mouthparts. When a mosquito bites you, it precise the skin using a special mouthpart, proboscis, to suck up blood. As the mosquito is feeding, it injects saliva into your skin. Your body reacts to the saliva, resulting in a bump and itching. Some people have only a mild reaction to the bite or bites. The red bump appears shortly after the bite, while itchiness sets in somewhat slower, peaking around 24 to 36 hours post blood sucking. In most cases, a mosquito bite is a harmless nuisance that results in minor irritation and resolves on its own in a few days. Take steps to protect yourself and your family from mosquito bites that can make you sick. Also, you can wear loose-fitting, long-sleeved shirts and pants, apply mosquito cream and spray, clean or cover water-related areas, control mosquitoes indoor and outdoors, apply windows net, and there are few more. Stay safe from mosquitoes. Stay tuned.